Another quality listing by Wesson Remax. Get ready to fall in love with 7501 Fowlis Court, nestled in the heart of the Highlands community, a golfer's paradise in Chesterfield County. This stunning 3,309 square foot home boasts 4 spacious bedrooms and 3.5 luxurious baths, all set on a large cul-de-sac lot. If you are looking for a spacious home for your family on a very large spacious lot, your search is over. Whether you're a seasoned golfer or just love a vibrant community atmosphere, this home offers the perfect balance of elegance and comfort. Call Wes today for more information, and if you are in the market to sell your home and want this type of exposure and marketing, you too should call Wes today. He exceeds clients' expectations one house at a time. Welcome home.